Okay, so I had the problem that the wall behind me did look really boring, and I wanted to redesign the wall, but the problem was that you need really fast accessibility because there are these maintenance openings for the electricity and the heating. And so I kind of have to find a way to mount these kind of acoustic panels that they're quick changeable or quick removable, and I had some different ideas in my mind. So first idea was to build a frame and build basically a door that you can open, but this needs again a lot of space and it would be a much bulkier frame. And the other idea was to kind of make a sliding door to the side, but this sounded also like a really bulky and big project, and I kind of like this more quick and easy fixtures or ideas, and that's why I designed this French Cleat system, which basically allows me to remove these acoustic panels in seconds. I mean, you can judge by yourself, but it do look really good in a way. You do not see gaps, that it's somehow like a few different parts, and it's still removable. And I shared all the datas and files on MakerWorld and just wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can remove it, and I show you all the models I designed, all the features, and that you can basically mount it by yourself. I show you how to remove it. Okay, so you basically remove the storage here, remove the two clips, get underneath, and you basically unlock it. First panel, second panel, and now you have accessibility to all the things you need. And you can put it back if you want. Finished. So I removed one panel now, and then I just show you the 3D printed parts. So these are the French cleats in a way, which carries all the weight, and the distance you mount the French cleats on the acoustic panel. I mean, these are fixed on that side, this is fixed, but these are the removable ones. You basically have to measure a minimum distance that you lift it out of the French cleat. So this is the space on the top, so that minimum kind of space you need, and then you lift it and basically lower it so that it sits firmly on the French cleats. And these are just spacers. Also here, that the acoustic panel is really parallel to the wall. You can remove that panel and you can put it on the wall. Okay, these are the spacers. These are here the fixed ones. I just have a screw cover here. You just screw it in the wood, and then you have this cover here. Okay, on that side it's not the perfect solution, but these are some end covers that covers the cutted part of the acoustic frame. I mean, I just printed it in 300mm long parts and placed it together. As I said, it's not the perfect solution, but haven't found anything better. That's why I got with that solution, because you kind of see when you have the cutted part, you see this fuzzy end of the acoustic frame. So I think this looks better. It's not perfect, but it looks better. I have these connectors for the edges. You just have to mount it that you have the perfect like 90-degree angle. And also the same corner bracket is on the top also. And lastly, I just designed these easy connector brackets to basically just connect the two different single acoustic panels to one. And this is the finished design. Okay, so this is the design, and let me know what you think about the design, if I could do something better, or if you have any other ideas how to mount it, or if it's still practical and if you would use it. You can even use it on longer walls if you just stack more acoustic panels to each other. And as I said, the data is free to use on MakerWorld, and just leave me a comment. I would really appreciate that. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next project.